I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
Hey guys, so let's transform these faux locks though. It's your girl Naturally Nata, and I'm going to take these Janet Collection Rockin Locs. These are the 20-inch 2-time MAMBO Rockin Locs. I'm going to take them from this to that short, cute bob style that has color. It's fun, it's festive, it's festival season. So I was inspired by that, even though I ain't never been in no festival. But anyway, we ain't gonna talk about that. The point is, we about to look like we about to go to a festival, whether or not we about to go or not. So anyway, what I'm doing is just taking out all the hair accessories that I had in my hair from the first long style that I have right now. So you want to remove any hair accessories that you have in your hair, so you can go ahead and start cutting your hair. They'll just get in the way, so you might as well just remove them now. Alright, so all of the hair accessories are out of my hair. I just really started getting bored with this style, so I was ready to change it up. If you're wondering why I decided to do this, this style is, you know, it's nice, but it gets boring after a while. It's just black, it's long, it's blah. It's really, really nice, but after, I think I'm on like week 3 at this point, I get bored. I gotta do something, so that's why I'm doing this. So now I'm just separating my hair into sections. As you can see, I have a lot more hair on this side because that's the way I want to cut the hair. I left my hair like swooped over so I can get that nice swoop with the bob style where you have the shorter pieces on top, nice layers. So I might as well just keep it like this. So I'm starting off with some kitchen scissors. These are brand new kitchen scissors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I thought they were going to be sharp, but they are not sharp at all. I thought you don't need to use hair shears for that. You're going to see me switch to hair shears, but that's really not necessary. You can use any type of scissors, but I thought since these were brand new that they would be, you know, pretty sharp, but they weren't working really at all. You'll see me switch. But I'm starting in the back, as you can see, and I'm cutting it about shoulder length. It's really, really simple to do. Just section your hair off to make it easier because the long faux locks are extremely, extremely thick. So you don't want to just have your hair down everywhere. It'll confuse you. So sectioning it off is very important, and then just start cutting them to your shoulder length. So I got that back portion completely done. So now I'm doing the front portion that has the most hair because I have a lot of hair from the opposite side swooped over. So we'll have that nice little bob style going on. So now I'm just doing the same things, but as you can see, I have switched to hair shears, and this actually surprisingly worked way better. I had to work basically one lock by one lock because these locks are extremely textured. If you don't know about the Rockin Locs, I'm going to link the video that I did with this original style up at the top, so click the eye. But these are an extremely natural texture, so they're very thick, they're very rough. So it's easier to just work lock by lock, and as you can see, I'm cutting in like a downward diagonal motion because I'm trying to get that nice layered type of look, and I want the locks to go from shorter to longer, so that's why I'm cutting in a downward diagonal motion. This is all up to personal preference really, so just do what you want to do to make the locks frame your face. This is what I wanted to do, and as you can see, I'm still doing that diagonal motion, and it's creating where the hair is shorter towards the top, and then it gets longer as it goes down.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you every
Alrighty, so as you can see, I just keep going back in and cutting it shorter and shorter, creating more layers, cutting some higher up, some lower down, and it's just creating that nice layered look. And yeah, you're just going to keep going back in and creating the style that you want to create. I'm going to keep creating some more layers in the back because the back just seems to be one uniform length, and I don't want that. And as you can see at the top, I made them extremely short because I've seen that style, you know, where there's a couple like kind of sticking up at the top because they're so short.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you.
Okay, so this method of resealing them really worked well, and rolling them with the flexi rods. They were seeming like they were coming a bit loose, and they were just looking very frayed on the end, and resealing them by dipping them into hot water really helped take away from that. They did not look frayed anymore, and it kind of like melded them together, so they weren't so they weren't like puffy or frayed out. It like melted them together, and I really like this look of rolling them with the flexi rods. It actually worked, and this is my first time ever even trying that. So this is how it looks when I took them all down. They're slightly curled, and it like framed my face even more. So now I'm going to take this Jerome Russell Be Wild spray color hairspray. It's like spray paint for your hair. I'm going to have the exact shades that I used down in the description box below, so check that out. But I'm going to start off with the purple one. I got purple and pink. I actually have had these for quite a while. I got them from Walgreens. After I saw It's My Ray actually use these on her real natural hair. So I decided to use them. I had them on hand. I decided to use them for this style, and it worked out so freaking good. Guys, it worked out so good. So you can get these from Walgreens if you're wondering. I think I've actually seen them at Walmart too. But I am going to just spray the tips of the Faux Locs with the purple. Now I'm going to go in with the pink, and as you can see, the purple works so well. It looks so cute. It will stain your hands really bad, but it is nothing that won't come off easily with soap and water, so don't be too worried about it. As you can see, I was very surprised by the vibrancy of the pink. Like, the pink is way more vibrant, I think, than the purple is intense. So I'm just spraying the pink a bit higher on the Faux Locs than the purple, so you'll be able to see both. It'll be a nice little fade from pink to purple. That's what I'm trying to do. It didn't exactly work out like that, but it looks great nonetheless.
No point in blaming you, did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own.
Yes, this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is actually the next day. I slept on these and everything. Then I got up and added the hair accessories, the same ones I had on the original Faux Locs, but I also added some gold hair string. This hair string is by the Magic Collection, which I will try to link in the description box for you guys, but I found it at my local beauty supply for very cheap. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave and check out some of my previous videos, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.